Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Hanno, and today's video is going to focus on packing for Nashville, Tennessee. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and I'd love it if you left me a comment. So packing is always a challenge, I think. When you want to look chic, you want to be comfortable, and you want to be prepared for everything that you have coming up in your vacation. For my friend and for me, we recently returned from Nashville, Tennessee, where we spent a long weekend. And we had to make some careful choices in terms of our outfits. It looks like the weather in Tennessee can be kind of changeable in the fall, because when we first started to pack for our trip, the weather forecast indicated it was going to be 80 degrees during the daytime. But by the time we left, that forecast had changed and the weather was a little more brisk. Consequently, we tried to pack a variety of things that could be useful if it was warmer during the day and also would keep us comfortable in the evening. There's a lot of walking going on in Nashville, so we tried to make very careful and deliberate choices. One of the first items that I packed on the trip is this blouse that I'm wearing right now. This is available at Target. And I think when you're trying to make good choices in terms of packing, it's really important to stick with a certain color scheme. At least that's what I find. And that way you have lots of different options for mixing and matching. Hopefully I'll be able to show you what I mean in the coming pictures. So the first day that we got there was definitely the warmest day we had. Temperatures were in the upper 70s, and for a couple girls from northern New York, that's warm enough to lay out in the sun. So the afternoon that we first got there, we spent some time down by the poolside, having some drinks and just relaxing on a rooftop pool. To pack for this, I packed a one-piece swimsuit from Trina Turk. It's a one-shoulder look. And I went with some kind of neutral colors. It's kind of a striped, almost a zebra print with black and tan and white. I love those neutral colors when fall hits, even in swimwear. I had a pair of gauzy cover-up pants that I wore. And when in Nashville, a hat's always needed. So I had this cute little black hat from Maurice's. I will post links to all of my choices down below. And if those items are not available, I'll do my best to find something that's comparable. So the first night that we were in Nashville, we had planned a dinner cruise on the Cumberland River. We went with the General Jackson dinner cruise. They had a wonderful show and we had a great time just floating along the Cumberland River and looking at the shoreline of Nashville from there. Though we had originally planned to wear dresses to this event, it was just a little bit too cool for that. And so we opted for a pair of jeans and a blouse with a denim jacket to top off. I chose to wear this particular blouse. Now, as I said, I think it's important when you're packing for a weekend to stick with a particular color frame. And I packed a lot of clothes that were in this orange rust color because it's very fall-like, but the clothes were lighter and sometimes a little more summery in nature. But this blouse was a great purchase for this trip. I love the very wide square neckline on this and the ruffle. The smocking along the middle is slimming. And not only was it a great choice for our dinner cruise, but I can really see this top being styled for Thanksgiving. I can envision it with some leather pants, particularly black leather, or even a chocolate brown leather, which I think would just look stunning with this. So I think this is a good purchase. I purchased it at Target. It was very reasonably priced. As with everything, I'll try to put the links down below, and if I can't find this item, I'll make sure I try to link something comparable. So our first full day in Nashville dawned a little on the chilly side. It was nice and sunny, but not that much warmer than it would have been if we were in upstate New York. Temperatures were really in the 60s. They reached a little into the low 70s at some point in the day, but it was a chilly day. We had planned to visit the Country Music Hall of Fame and the African American Music Hall of Fame, both of which are amazing choices if you are in Nashville. And so we opted for jeans and a flannel shirt. And this was really comfortable. I had a little loose fitting rust colored cami underneath this gray and rust colored flannel shirt that I purchased this year from Maurice's. And this outfit paired with a crossbody bag and some booties was a great choice for just wandering around the streets, hitting up the museums and some of the many amazing places to eat and places to stop by and have a drink in Nashville. So the streets of Nashville are just full of one amazing bar after another. So our second full day in Nashville, we had planned to hit up a couple museums and just kind of stroll through Broadway and take advantage of some of the amazing live music and talented musicians that are just everywhere in Nashville. So this is the outfit I wore for some day drinking on a Sunday afternoon. I wore a denim skirt that I have had for years, originally from American Eagle, and just a gingham checked shirt that was not flannel, just a regular cotton shirt. I bought it last spring. Probably many of you have something very similar to this in your closet. And used the hat and some booties and a belt, and perfect outfit for a day of stopping by some bars, having a couple drinks, and really enjoying the live music. So another great choice for packing for Nashville is this two-piece set that I got from Target. Once again, picking up on that rust-colored theme. This features a full tiered skirt and a little cropped top. Now, some of you might say no way to the crop top, and I totally understand that. But I really think that a woman of any age can wear them if you are comfortable with it. This particular set just shows a very thin strip of your midriff section, and I personally am more comfortable with a denim jacket over the top of it. I thought it was really cute. And I want to just show you the fabric of this two-piece set. It's got this nice little inlaid pattern. It's really adorable. And one of the great things about this two-piece set is that you can wear the top separately or you can wear the bottom separately and create even more outfits. So as I mentioned, a two-piece set can really expand your options and give you lots of different choices when you're away on a vacation. Here I've paired the rust-colored full skirt with just a regular graphic tee. This one says Nashville on it, appropriately enough. I paired it with the crossbody bag, and this time with some sneakers or trainers for a real casual look that would be really comfortable for just running along the streets and doing whatever it is that you want to do. I think that this particular look can be really helpful, and you can wear this skirt in many different ways. It also looks really cute with just a white tee or with a white button down tied at the waist. And the last outfit choice that I threw into my suitcase deals with this really cute little orange or rust colored jersey dress from Old Navy. Really affordable. I loved it because it just has a little strap that comes up the top of it, an interesting back, but it's all jersey, and it looks really cute with heels, but also with just trainers or sneakers. I loved it with a denim jacket thrown over the shoulders. This is a dress that you can dress up a little bit. It would also look great underneath the leather jacket if you wanted a little more coverage, and it also looks super cute layered underneath that gray and rust flannel shirt. And that just a really cute casual look as well. Once again, pair it with booties, pair it with trainers to either dress up or dress down this really versatile piece. So I just want to spend a few seconds talking about the accessories that I threw into my suitcase to really help the looks come together. First and foremost, footwear. I had a pair of trainers with me, and I packed 2 pairs of booties. Probably could have gotten by with only one, but I wasn't unhappy with my choices. The one I wore most is this cute little camel colored suede booty. It's got a little bit of a heel, probably a 2.5 inch heel, but very comfortable and looked really cute with the denim skirt, the long skirts, and with the jeans. But I also threw in this cute white bootie, which I purchased last year from Target. I think last year was the year when white or cream colored boots were really having their moment, but it hasn't gone away. They are everywhere this season as well. And what I love about white booties is that they really class up an outfit, I think, and they can definitely make things look much more formal and dressy in just a wink of an eye. So this particular pair came from Target. I'll see if they still have something similar, but I know I've seen these white booties all over the place. I love this block heel that you can see is really a good foundation for you. It's not that high. It gives a woman like me just a little bit of height, which I appreciate. In terms of jewelry, I never travel with any expensive pieces really. So I stuck with some gold necklaces and my old reliable simple gold hoop earrings, which I wore most of the time. Also really important was this belt. It is just a camel colored belt, pairs really nicely with the shoes, and it has a really nice gold buckle. This is a new purchase this year from H&M. And finally, this cute little crossbody bag in this brown camel. I wore most days when we were traveling around. It was very low key. It fit my sunglasses, my wallet, my cell phone, lip gloss, and just a couple other minor things that I needed. And otherwise I was hands-free, so it was a great choice to take with me. So there you have it. This is all of the things that I packed. I thought they were really good choices. I felt really good about the items that I had packed. There were a few things that I didn't wear, but most things I was able to get really good use out of. So I hope that you found this video useful. Once again, I will post links to everything that I can find or comparable items if the items that I have are no longer available. Once again, I want to thank you for watching and encourage you to hit the subscribe button if you like this video and want to see more like it. Thanks again.